Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to set low priority for private chat notifications on Telegram so your messages stay organized without constantly interrupting your day. If you're someone who gets a lot of messages, especially from private chats, lowering the notification priority can make a big difference. It helps reduce distractions while still keeping you updated when you need it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your phone, this might be the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts behave for messages, groups, and calls. Now, tap on Private Chats. This is where you can adjust notification settings specifically for one-on-one conversations. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Priority. Tap on it to view the available choices. Finally, select Low. This setting reduces how prominently notifications appear, helping you stay focused without completely turning them off. And that's it. From now on, your private chat notifications will be less intrusive, giving you more control over when and how you respond. This small adjustment can really improve your daily workflow, especially if you rely on Telegram for both personal and important conversations.